Hey guys, Snuka the neighbor, and well, you see the sign, so you know why we're down at the creek. I'm gonna be shooting the BB gun after I get off the culvert. Here. Much better. Ow. Oh, the grunts of being an old man. There might be a pellet in here, by the way. Anyway, this is just a fun little video of me shooting. I don't know why I'm gonna upload this, but okay. Anyway. But just thought it'd be a nice day to go shooting out here. Plus, I mean, it's a Saturday. Why not? Saturday as of filming. You guys know my upload schedule. I don't have one. My upload schedule is whenever Huniko feels like uploading. Yes, I'm talking about myself in third person. Sue me. I really don't care. Shooting lefty. Trigger locked up. Get me off my shot. Oh shush, I'm not being that loud. It's a pellet gun, for crying out loud. Yeah, this video is not going to get monetized, but who cares? Probably just gonna finish off the mag, which, I mean, there's like 10 shots per mag, I think. So, yeah. There we go. It's hit number, what, 4? 3? Something like that? I don't stinking know, I wasn't counting. I don't know why I'm treating this like a real rifle, it's a BB gun. Oh, air gun, technically. Do I care? No. No, I don't. I have 3 or 4 more rounds left. I don't actually know how many rounds I have left, and sorry, I'm a bit gassy today. I think I have one more shot after this. Yep, no more BBs in the magazine. Yay! Last shot. Okay. Well, that was that. That was that magazine. Oh yeah, you were very zoomed in still. One sec, guys. Okay. So, there we go. Some of you may know this. Clicking ensues. Some of you may know this as the place where I filmed Flame in a video YouTube removed for some reason. And apparently I won't be able to upload that video unless I want my channel to have a strike on it. So yeah. Basically, if none of you know, by the way, YouTube is kind of bad with strikes. Basically get 3 strikes and then you can't upload anymore. 1 strike, I don't think you can upload for like a week. So yeah, I'm not gonna take any chances. But yeah, just a fun little video of me shooting the BB gun. So remember guys, dislike, unsub, and until next time, peace out.